How to create an account on Peacock. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to create an account on Peacock. So to create an account on Peacock TV, you first of all need to open up your app store and install it. So type in Peacock on the search bar and install the app. Once the application is updated to the latest version, what you want to do is click on the open button and start creating your account. So to create your account, you want to click on the start a free trial or start your subscription. At the bottom, provide in your contact details. That includes entering your phone number or in email address, and create a password. Once you're done creating a password, then you need to go ahead and add in your credit card details. And once you're done adding in your credit card details, what next you want to do is you just want to select a plan. And once you're done selecting the plan, you'll have successfully created your Peacock TV account, and you can go ahead and watch shows and content on Peacock. So this is the simplest way you could do in order to create an account on Peacock. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.